Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to apply my 5x5 closure wig that I handmade myself. What I'm doing is I saw this technique on YouTube or Facebook or something, and this girl, she put her hair in a ponytail, she braided it and put it up and just put her cap on like that. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So I'm taking my Got2b spray and I'm just going in with it, spraying for my part and around my edges and making sure that I spray it around the hairline where I'm going to place my closure. Taking my blow dryer, I'm just going to make sure that the area is fully dry, and then I just take the end of my rat tail and just lift up the front of the cap where I'm going to place my closure. Okay, after that is completely dry, I just cut off the excess cap. I'm sure you guys have seen many tutorials on how to successfully make a bald cap. And instead of cutting off the excess cap completely, I just, cut it down and tie it in the back just to secure the back more. But I wish I would have cut it and lifted up to the middle of my head and just tied it there. I put a band in the back of my head and I'm just securing it. We have to have it secured. Okay, now I'm just preparing myself to use the Got2b spray. I'm gonna spray it on my fingertips and then dab it into the lace where I want the hair to lay and be placed, and where I want to cut the lace. I just really love to spray in the part a little bit with the Got2b spray because I just feel like it secures it a little bit more for me. And I spray a little bit in the front and make sure I get it at least on the hairline a little bit more. Okay, and I just took some regular shears and I went in a zigzag kind of motion. Don't judge me, it worked. It worked very well. So, hey, use what you have. If you have the crinkly cutters, you should use that. If you have a razor, you should use that. That helps, but watch yourself with a razor. And I just used my Got2b spray a little bit on the comb, the rat tail end, and I dab it in on the hairline, on the lace where it is placed. And it's starting to melt. It's starting to melt real nice. I like that. Okay, after I'm done with that, I just take a wig band and just put that around the lace and tie it in the back, and it's the perfect size and it just helps so much. The curls weren't curling for me straight off the doll head, so I had to take my Marcel's and curl it a little bit more and just reestablish my part. Feels good. Not too much of my wig, guys, because I don't know, I've been getting compared to a bunch of things, but I honestly thought I came up with this hairstyle for my birthday. First, they were saying, oh, you look like that girl from that reality TV show. And I was like, what is that? And then I saw some other girl post a video and she used this butter lace. And I'm just like, I really thought I created this for my birthday. But good thing I made it short, because all of the hairstyles that I've seen with these colors have been long. So, and I just really wanted to try something new and not do baby hairs. Even though I'm not a baby hair fan, I just decided not to do them for this style because my birthday, I'm grown now, and I wanted to try a regular hairline. You know, I'm trying to bring natural hairlines back. We're just going to finish up our curls, and we're going to let this band sit for a little bit longer, and we're going to complete our makeup, and then we're going to come back and hopefully you like our look. We're back. So I really love this hairstyle. Let me take this band off. I love this step. All right, so we're going to blend our lace in with some makeup that is our color. And I like to finish it off with some setting spray for my makeup. You know, that's how we get looking glamorous. Then I'm going to let that dry in completely by fanning myself. All right, I'm gonna take my comb and just comb my hair into place where I want it to fall and just make my curls look nice. All right, there you have it. We have successfully applied my 5x5 closure wig that I handmade myself. I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your view. If you like what you saw, please like, maybe leave a comment, and subscribe.